Hallelujah. Prophet Dr. Abednego has once again demonstrated the power of God following divine guidance. He established the world first spiritual hospital, Rabboni Spiritual Research and Divine Medical Laboratory. Now, God has directed him to create the Prophet Dr. Abednego Invincible Teaching Hospital, powered by Castoplanto technology. This unique institution will reveal spiritual realities and help you understand the unseen battles affecting your life. Many are spiritually unwell without realizing it, and many struggle to progress due to invisible spiritual conflicts. Prophet Dr. Abednego Invincible Teaching Hospital is here to uncover and address all spiritual obstacles. Bring all your problems to Prophet Dr. Abednego Invincible Teaching Hospital and witness the revelation of all that has hindered you spiritually. Visit us in Ensarum Adwajiri, Oreku Liberty. For more information, please call us at 0208 599 576, 0208 599 576, or 0278 977 215, 0278 977 215, or email us at castoplantotechnologies@gmail.com. Prophet Dr. Abednego Invincible Teaching Hospital, unveiling spiritual hindrances and guiding you to divine freedom.